to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. The videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Stop letting the world teach you hate. World history is full with war. These wars were only fought for power, money, and the want to control other people. The individuals in power wanted to keep it and get richer for their next generation of children. This is the oldest play in the book, and it shows how throughout history the rich and powerful have always played it. Power, capacity or ability to direct or influence the behavior of others. The New World Order now opened the book to the rich and powerful's playbook. It's easy now for everyone to understand exactly what's happening around the world. They can no longer use us against each other. There should be no country trying to take control of another country with war. No country has any reason to hate another country to the point of starting a war. War, intense armed conflict between state, government, and societies. We don't need it anymore. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. The devastation and lives lost from war is too high a cost for this highly advanced world to be creating. There is no reason for people to be hating to the point of killing another person. Life is too precious to spend it hating another. We should be living and improving the world. Everyone can add something to this world and bring pleasure to others. So let's stop letting the world teach us hate. Hate, emotion of intense dislike or ill will. Everyone has the God-given right to live free and happy. Only thing this world needs is to provide work for people to make a living. It's in human nature that people work to survive. That's the natural way of things on earth. No one should think they don't have to work. It's the only way to create the life that you dream to have one day. Do your part. Work for it. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
What this sound is, everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.